Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to permanently block ads using private DNS. This is very simple. For this, simply go to settings and tap on the option connections. Now in this page, you can see the option more connection settings. Tap on this one. Tap on private DNS. Then from here, you need to select the option private DNS provider host name. After select this one, here we need to enter the host name of DNS provider. So you need to type dns.adguard.com. So after enter this one, tap on save. So this is the most popular method to block ads permanently across applications, games and browser. So it works by stopping ad server before they load, giving a clear experience without installing applications. So simply in this way, we can permanently block ads on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.